this video, I will review how to create your drawing for your Monoprint. First, you're going to get your printed paper or your drawing that you are working on. Then you will get a transparency. You're going to tape that transparency on top of your drawing, and then you will start to trace over the main shapes. So for example, if you're doing a person, think about the shapes in the head, the hair, the eyes, the nose, the mouth, etc. But also you want to trace the shapes inside the clothing, any lines, any patterns you might see in the artwork. Here's some more examples. Today I'm going to be working with the Skittles bag that I had shown you all during instruction. So first you need to have your paper printed. Once it's printed, you're going to take your transparency and we're going to tape it behind the actual artwork. You're also going to need your Sharpie today. So again, in this part of the video, I am taking my transparency, which is the clear sheet of paper, and I am taping it onto my Monoprint. Once you have it taped, you want to start, again, outlining the main lines inside of your artwork. Don't forget about adding texture, different line weights, different patterns, different designs. You can also check what you've done by putting your hand underneath the paper. You can kind of check to see how much you've drawn. So in this part, you'll see I'm starting to move. I move the transparency off just to see what parts of the design I've drawn on. If for whatever reason your Sharpie isn't working, just try to use the other side of your Sharpie, meaning like turn your Sharpie marker, or if it's still not working, try and use a different Sharpie. In this part of the video, I'm going back over, making sure that I have all my lines inside of the artwork. You want to add as much detail as possible. Once you are completely done, you're going to remove the transparency from the printed paper or your sketch, and then put it over another paper to make sure that you don't have to go over, redraw anything. And this is the part of the artwork too that you want to add your own details. So for example, on the Skittle bag, it didn't say these things, but I added them to the drawing. I'm also going back over any lines that maybe look faded because my marker didn't work. I'm just retracing. Once you are complete with this, or done with it, we will work on adding the Monoprint tomorrow.